In a peaceful field, an ancient tool is being resurrected. This is a curved plow, a traditional plow with a special curved design. It was born more than 1,300 years ago. The curved plow consists of three main parts: the curved lever, the plow body, and the plow blade. The curved lever is the most characteristic part, connecting the oxen and the plow blade. This curved design helps to transfer the pulling force from the oxen to the plow smoothly and stably. Like a straight plow, the curved plow follows an arc, creating a flexible distance between the driver and the buffalo. Thanks to that, the plowman does not need to stay close to the buffalo, which is both safe and easy to control the path. The curved lever helps to transmit the pulling force stably, minimizing vibration, avoiding broken ropes or deviation. With just one person and one buffalo, each day can plow several acres of land, enough to feed the whole family. The curved plow appeared during the Tang Dynasty, the peak of Chinese agricultural civilization. Before that, people mainly used straight plows that were heavy and difficult to turn. The appearance of the curved plow improved productivity, reduced labor, and quickly spread throughout the Central Plains. Later, this type of plow also influenced Korea, Japan, and even Vietnam. Today, modern plows can work many times faster. But the curved plow still has great value, not only in historical research, but also in small-scale organic farming. Many regions still use traditional plows to maintain the natural porosity of the soil and prevent erosion. On the golden fields of harvest, a familiar sound is about to return. Not the noisy sound of an engine, but the slow rotation of an old, rustic, simple rice threshing machine, but containing many stories. Today, on the occasion of celebrating a bumper harvest, we will rebuild a traditional manual rice threshing machine that was an indispensable tool in agricultural labor in the past. This machine is designed entirely from wood. A hard, strong wood, usually ironwood, chestnut, or oak. The frame consists of two main shafts, a hand-cranked shaft and a toothed shaft used to fluff the rice. The gears are skillfully carved so that when rotating they will not get stuck and can operate continuously for many hours. Above is the rice inlet design, just enough for the rice bundle to enter, not too large to avoid the rice from splashing. Below is the grain tray where the cleaned rice grains fall down, ready to be dried or milled. principle of this machine is very simple but extremely effective. The operator stands on the side using his hand to turn the large shaft. The rotation force is transmitted through the gears to the shaft inside the machine. When the rice bundle is fed in, the rotating gears will hit the rice stalks at a steady speed, causing the rice grains to fall off the stalk. After threshing, the rice will be separated into two parts. The grains fall into the trough and the straw is pushed out the back. Everything happens rhythmically, continuously, almost without stopping. Before the combine harvester, before the electric thresher, machines like this were attached to millions of Asian farming households. In the 60s and 70s, almost every village had one, carefully preserved like a treasure. Threshing rice with this machine takes effort but is much lighter than threshing by hand like before. In particular, during years of crop failure, people still try to keep this machine to ensure that the rice grains do not fall out and do not waste any. Adults operate, children help, the whole family completes the harvest together. That clack, clack sound has been deeply ingrained in the memories of many generations. When the first bundle of rice is brought in, when the first grain is thrown out, everyone is beaming. No need for a long explanation, just one spin is enough to understand how skillful and creative our ancestors were. Each sound is a lesson about labor, about ancient farming methods, about cherishing each grain of rice. Even without electricity, the machine can still operate continuously for many hours. People often take turns turning, one pouring rice, one gathering rice. With just a few people, a whole field can be threshed in one morning. Most importantly, the machine rarely breaks down, is easy to repair, and can be used for 10 to 20 years if well maintained.